Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a credit card in QuickBooks Online. First, you'll want to open your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the chart of accounts. This is where you manage all your financial accounts. Next, click the New button to begin creating a new account. When prompted, select Credit Card as the account type. Then, fill in the necessary details like the card name and the last 4 digits for easy identification. This initial setup is crucial for accurate tracking. Once your credit card account is set up, the next step is to connect it to your bank's online feed. This powerful feature allows QuickBooks Online to automatically download your credit card transactions, saving you significant time and reducing manual entry errors. You'll typically find this option under the Banking or Transactions menu. After connecting, QuickBooks will import recent transactions, often going back 90 days or more. Remember to categorize these downloaded transactions to keep your books tidy. With your bank feed connected, you'll regularly review downloaded credit card transactions. It's important to check each entry for accuracy, ensuring amounts and dates are correct. You can match transactions to existing entries you've already recorded or easily add new ones directly from the bank feed. For recurring expenses, consider setting up bank rules. These rules can automatically categorize common transactions, streamlining your workflow and maintaining consistent record keeping with minimal effort. Finally, a critical step for maintaining accurate financial records is monthly reconciliation. You'll compare your credit card statement to the transactions recorded in QuickBooks Online. The goal is to ensure that the ending balance in QuickBooks precisely matches the ending balance on your physical statement. This process helps catch any discrepancies, identify missing transactions, or spot potential fraud. Completing this step regularly provides a clear and accurate picture of your business's financial health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.